Hey everybody, welcome back to G's. Today I'm going to show you a couple of the things I've done with this particular casting. It's the Sam Walton truck. It's a pretty neat little casting. One of the first things I did with it, I did a hauler. Changed the color, but it's still the Sam Walton truck. It's the first one I ever got. Came out pretty neat. And this one here inspired me to do some other customs that turned out pretty cool too, using the Sam Walton truck. I'll show you a couple of those. The other two I've done using that particular casting. The second one I did was a flatbed hauler. I tried to do it along the lines of, say, the Fast and Furious style flatbed. I have other ones. This one came out pretty neat. There's one truck that's harder to find these days than others, and I've already chopped up two of them, which is the one that comes in the plastic case. That one comes with wheels that look like this. Here's my third custom I've done with it. I'm going to be doing a fourth one with that other one I just showed you. Gave it the old look. Thought it came out pretty cool. And the wheels on it actually say Walmart on them. So this is the more inexpensive version of it. It's got a black interior. Had all the same stuff in the back. The one that comes in the plastic case has a red interior with white accents on it. They all come with the chrome plastic base. This is a short bed version I did of it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the next one, but just thought think you guys would like to check it out. Take a look at them. See what you guys think. So, till next time, thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe down below. Get the notifications. You can check them all out. And I look forward to doing some more. Thank you very much. And we'll see you next time. Bye.